House Bootcamp is a 6-hour video course completely taught in the SoundBridge DAW. We guide students through the process of building a professional house song from start to finish. By the end of the course, you will produce a professional-sounding house track completely mixed, mastered, and ready for Beatport. The only software requirements for this course are SoundBridge and a LoopCloud subscription. This makes House Bootcamp one of the first professional music production courses that doesn't require thousands of dollars worth of software to take. The course is unique in that it focuses 100% on arrangement and composition from the very beginning. This allows students to focus on the music without the distraction of complex sound design. That way, you can home in on learning the basic structure and arrangement techniques of house. Little bits of music production knowledge are sprinkled throughout the course so that you're always learning new techniques but in a digestible, chronological, and coherent way. After the arrangement is complete, students focus entirely on professional mixing and mastering of the track, allowing students to clone their first high-caliber house track. At the very end of the course, we tackle all the custom sound design, allowing you to learn how every sound was produced from scratch in a separate process outside of music creation. We believe in learning by doing. Following the guidance of a professional music producer demystifies the production process. It allows you to obtain a professional mindset about the complexities of music production quicker than brutal trial and error for years and years. This course is for absolute beginners to music producers that have been struggling for a while without significant progress. Text directions, production tips, notes, and keyboard shortcuts supplement the video content so it's very easy for anyone to follow every step of the process from start to finish. My name is Goran Toprek and I'm a professional music producer, mixing and mastering engineer, sound designer, performer, and educator with a degree in audio engineering. I've been producing music since 1997 and internationally performing my original music since 2005 throughout the world. Music has taken me to Japan, Brazil, all over Europe and beyond. In addition to music, I regularly contributed to sample packs. I do professional mixing and mastering for TV and radio, as well as ghost production. I'm here to teach you everything I know about music production in a series of courses, this first one focusing in house. Therefore, the best thing you can do is to take our House Bootcamp. We can guarantee you won't regret it, and I'll see you in class.